Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 756 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Walmart has filed trademark applications which suggests a move to the metaverse. Silvergate has shared its financial results, and IntelliBridge is collaborating with Prime Trust. Just before we get into the news, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, as well as many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so CNBC reports that retail giant Walmart, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker WMT, may be preparing to enter the metaverse and create its own cryptocurrency and NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. This is suggested by the company's having filed several new trademarks late last month that indicate its intent to make and sell virtual goods, and its claim that it would offer users a virtual currency as well as NFTs in one particular filing. The CNBC article quotes trademark attorney Josh Gerben, who said, quote, "The files are super intense. There's a lot of language in these, which shows that there's a lot of planning going on behind the scenes about how they're going to address cryptocurrency, how they're going to address the metaverse, and the virtual world that appears to be coming or that's already here." End quote. Silvergate Capital Corporation, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker SI, has shared its financial results for the 3 and 12 months ended December 31st, 2021. The Silvergate Exchange Network, or SEN, which the company created to allow digital currency and institutional investor clients to send US dollars 24/7, handled $219.2 billion of US dollar transfers in Q4 of 2021. This is up 35% from $162 billion in Q3, and an increase of 270% over the $59.2 billion it posted in the fourth quarter of 2020, the previous year. Silvergate's president and CEO Alan Lane said, quote, "2021 was another year of significant growth and momentum for Silvergate, driven by strong demand for our digital currency solutions powered by the SEN. Total deposits grew to $14.3 billion at the end of 2021, and our full-year net income more than tripled compared to last year, reflecting growth in both fee income and net interest income." End quote. IntelliBridge Technology Corp., which trades on the CSE under the ticker KASH, has announced a collaboration with financial infrastructure provider Prime Trust to enable IntelliBridge customers to on-ramp from US dollars into decentralized finance, or DeFi, and earn a 10% stable interest rate on their cash savings accounts. IntelliBridge CEO John Eagleton said, quote, "We're proud to work with Prime Trust, which offers best-in-class financial infrastructure for fintech and digital asset clients globally. This collaboration opens up the remarkable returns seen in decentralized finance by offering customers an on-ramp that makes it easy to move assets from traditional financial institutions like Bank of America and Wells Fargo and exchange to USD stablecoins, which can be deposited into Cash's high earnings savings account." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.